Antifa. Where's the monkeys? We'll pause it. Well,
why is it stinky water?
here. For your YouTube channel?
What?
For YouTube?
Is it going to be my YouTube channel? Jeez.
Oh, so if you sit on this side, just be careful. Sometimes the chimps will throw things at the boat. Some of the things will smell too good. They come from that direction. So you've got a heads up. So chimpanzees are our closest living relatives alongside bonobos. They share about 99% of our DNA. A common misconception is that they're monkeys, but they're not monkeys, they're apes. Just like us. The easiest way to differentiate between monkey and an ape is to look for a tail. If it has a tail, it's probably a monkey, and if it doesn't have a tail, it's probably an ape. 4 chimps here on the island, 3 females, 1 outnumbered male, or 1 lucky male, depends how you look at it. If you're wondering why they're on an island, the main reason for that is that they can't swim. It means we don't need to put any fence up. We've got a nice big open space for them in a natural environment. So where are the chimps? They've just been on this climbing frame sunbathing most of the day. If you look over at the climbing frame there, the platform on the lower left, you'll see a chimp holding onto the rope above her. Her name's Jill, she's 50 years old. She was born out in the wild in Africa. 50 is about the average life expectancy of a chimp, so she's essentially an old lady now.
Jump up.
And it must be getting a little bit hot for Rosie. Rosie's in that little wooden hut in front of you over there. There's 2 huts, one on the left. Rosie's just sitting there way to the left.
Watch her down, man.